Look at them go, huh? Friends of ours are currently in ROM, which means restriction of movement. They'll be out in 10 days and they're looking for a house, so I'm kind of like looking for them and being their eyes and ears here on the island while they wait out their little quarantine period. So we're on our way. Let me turn the camera here. As you can see, we are in lovely Yomitan, heading towards Cape Zampa, and here we go. Hey, thanks for joining me out here, guys. If you don't know me, I basically live in Okinawa. I've been here for about 3 years. I do videos on houses here. I do video on the cultures. I do videos on everything Okinawa as much as I can because I'm learning. Because I've only been here 3 years, I am by no means a local and by no means an expert. So I know just enough to be dangerous. So thank you for stopping by this channel. And if you like, you can subscribe. It's free, no strings attached, and if you don't want to subscribe, that's cool too. Hopefully you like the content that I've got for you on this channel, and especially today because I did a housing tour last time. So when you come to Okinawa, if you're military or you're retiring, you want to rent a house or buy a house. That's much more complicated, but to rent a house, you have to go through a housing agency. So I did one before, and I'll link it up top, you'll see it right here. With Joy Housing. It was a house that was really nice and rented immediately. Today we're going to do a house for Star Housing, and they have a house over in Yomitan that a friend of mine wants me to tape for them. So I figured why not do a video on that house as well. So here's the stats on the house. It's about 1,700 square feet. We're looking at 4 bedrooms, and it is in Yomitan heading towards Cape Zampa. It is near Kokopelli Pizza, which is a fantastic pizza place. I'll have to do a video on that as well. But before we go, I need to get diesel for Fantasy because she is running low. So let's go to the gas station, and I always screw it up. So hopefully it will go a lot smoother than it has previously. Is that the gas station there? Yeah, that's the gas station there. Alrighty. Let's see if I can't muck this up. I got my diesel pump right here. Everybody's washing their cars today, even though it looks like a rainstorm coming. All right, here we go. All right, I will put this here. That didn't work out well. I'll put it right here. Where's your credit card go? Let's see, credit. All right, here we go. There's nothing. All right. Yeah. Put it out. This is where I screwed up. I believe it's this one? Oh, okay. So I'll do oh man. Oh, I gotta press this. That's so weird. I gotta press this. And then take this out and put it in here. Did it work? Did it work? It worked! It worked! It almost never works for me. Somehow I did something right. So we'll see what happens. So this is just part of, I could get gas on base if I wanted to, but I'm kind of far, so I get gas in town. They say the diesel's better and cleaner. Not sure if that's true, but it certainly is more convenient for me to get it out in town than to go on base. Living saloon. Alright, receipt. Arigatou gozaimasu to you, machine. So that was super easy. Alright, and now we are off to see the house. So this is the Malibu house. Okay, let me just show you the outside. Looks really nice. You got some fields in front of you, so there's no house in front of you. Very pretty. That's where the garbage is. That's where we put the garbage, recyclables, and burnable. I'm coming. All right, so walking in, you have a car garage. It's a very nice garage. And then there's a sliding door to the garage, and then we have our shoe closet here. All right, and then we have another shoe closet here, or whatever you want to do. Usually they're putting shoes, and there we go. Okay, so this is pretty nice and very big. Here we have the living room. Okay, and this is just the storage closet here. Okay. Oh, it's a bathroom. Okay, so we have a bathroom right off the bat, and there's where we just came in. Here's the bathroom. And this is this is for the washer and dryer. Okay, washer and dryer here. What's in there, Benny? What's in there, buddy? Okay, and this looks like for the washer. So that must be the dryer next door, and this is just for the washer. Okay, so here we have the kitchen. Really nice kitchen.
And then you can go through to the garage.
Oh, so this door goes to the garage as well, so if you want to drop the garbage there. Okay, cool. There's an outdoor patio here. And you can see there's your garbage there. Here is, I believe, maybe some outside storage. It's locked, but I believe this is outside storage 1, 2. Okay, so here we have the outside area. And this looks like another little alleyway to the side of the house. Yep, it's just a little side of the house alleyway. Here we see the yard again. Okay, let's go back inside, and we're gonna go upstairs and take a look. You think it's gonna be great? Fantastic. All right, so this is upstairs, and this is ready now, right? This is ready now, this house? Okay. So when we come upstairs, there's a half bath here, right at the top of the stairs. Big window here so you can see your neighbors. And I believe this is probably the master bedroom. Yep. So here's the master bedroom. And you have a closet here. A good sized walk-in closet. Here we go. And then here you have the master bath. American style toilet, normal toilet that doesn't warm your butt or anything. The vanity with the mirror. Hey everyone. And tub with shower. Okay. We also have a balcony here. Let me see if this opens up. Yep, that opens up. And you can go right out. And this is your morning view from the master bedroom. It's not too shabby, it's just farmland. And if you can get that tiller running, you can probably keep it. All right, so ooh, a nice breeze as well. Let me shut this. Okay. Master bedroom, pretty big. Bathroom's right there. Okay, it looks like laminate hardwood floor. Okay, good. And so this will be bedroom number 1. Good size for kids. Got a window with metal. Oh, I thought the glass is so clean. I thought there was no glass there, but yeah, there's glass there. Okay. We have a closet. Just open both doors up here. Closet. Okay. Then we also have a window here, and it faces, this is what you're looking at from the outside. You see the ocean, another house. Bedroom number 1, so we've seen 2 bedrooms. This is bedroom number 3. Again, another good sized bedroom. Okay. And not walk-in closet, but Very good sized closet. Okay. Okay, with your remote controls, your light switch, everything for the fan. Okay, then we have the fourth bedroom, which is bigger than the other two here. Okay, we got the light, got the air conditioning unit. Again, looking out the window, you just see farmland and ocean. And then we have a closet. Okay, and then this will be the bathroom, on the shower, sorry, and bathtub on the top floor. So here we see vent there. And this is just the bath. There's no toilet up here, just the bath. So, okay.
This is perfect.
Yeah, do you think this is perfect for them? Okay, and there you go, there's your balcony again. Benny, go stand in the middle of the floor there. I want everyone to see how big it is. Go stand over there. There you go, see? Wave your arms. That's how big it is, very big. See? These are pretty big. The kitchen, you like the kitchen there? Okay. And we have outlets there, outlets there, outlet there.
I don't know what that thing is. That's just in case of fire.
Oh, we have a big spider over here. Look at that thing. Look at that. He's a big one.
Big spiders? That's too quick.
Look at him go, huh? He's a pretty big one too. Just look at my hand. He's pretty big.
Oh yeah, it's very big.
Yeah, he's pretty big. He's fast. Look at him go.
Be careful with that spider.
Just so you know, that spider did go outside. There he is, see? He's outside. All right, let's shut the door before he comes back in. All right, Star Housing, thank you very much for showing us this. And it's really a great little, So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel. First of all, actually, I kind of want to thank. I have almost, I think, 1,600, almost 1,700 subscribers. Thank you very much for everything and for liking the channel. Please leave me a comment below if you want to see some other things from Okinawa. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you next video.